And now from here, you can begin installing skills for your assistant and creating new jobs. So for example, right here, I can go down and type, I'm running a NemoClaw setup with OpenClaw on a Hostinger VPS. Can you walk me through installing skills and creating jobs? So go ahead and send a message like this to your assistant. And then from here, your assistant is going to message you back with, in my case, a ton of information regarding what I should do next. And this is a really good example, even though this is a ton of information, and in this video, it would be hard for me to break down exactly what you should do next for your setup. You can work with your assistant just like this to figure out what you want to do and how to do it next. And if you describe your setup exactly like I did, it's going to give your assistant the context to really help you out. One of the first skills that I recommend setting up on a new OpenClaw setup is a Google Workspace skill. That way, if you give it access to your Google Workspace, it can read your Gmail, your calendar, and give you daily briefs. And if you want to browse these skills that are available for OpenClaw, you can check out the websites listed in the video description. From there, you're going to see a link to a website called ClawHub, which is a list of tons of different skills. And then you're also going to find the GitHub skills directory. These are both great resources that you can use to find new skills, along with asking your assistant to help you out with finding them. Just be careful with which skills you install, because some of them can be malicious, so just be very careful with installing third-party skills.